as an experiment, I built a cost comparison model to move the AI conversation out of the hype into the hard numbers. Many organizations talk about generative and agentic AI as if it were a free upgrade to existing systems rather than substantial new investments with real financial trade-offs. So what I'm trying to drive here is a discussion around what this stuff costs versus the more traditional approaches. Now, I understand in many cases we're going to build AI systems because AI is going to be the preferred technology because it's going to provide the business with a force multiplier. In other words, it's able to do things above and beyond what traditional systems can do. And I think that's perfectly fine. But there has to be a business case as such to make that decision, because if you're forcing AI, either agentic or generative AI, into the solution set, that's always going to cost you a lot more money, as we're going to see in the table that I put together, and basically modeled a traditional approach, an approach using generative AI tools and development approaches and technologies, and then an agentic approach. And look at the cost differences for building exactly the same system. So by putting traditional development, generative AI, and agentic AI side by side using realistic ranges, I wanted to show that each step up in sophistication carries a significant cost premium. So this was an exercise designed to force a simple question: when do these higher costs pay for themselves in measurable, trackable business outcomes that stakeholders can trust?